Okay, let's look at this one right here. We're supposed to add these fractions together, and we see that they don't have a common denominator. So what we do is we get a common denominator. That common denominator can be the product of all three of these denominators. So in this case, it would be something that looks like x minus 2 times x plus 7. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite each of these fractions with that common denominator. X minus 2, x plus 7, and x minus 2, x plus 7. Okay, oops, sorry, I got a little glare there. Let me move it down. Okay, so the original numerator right here was 9. The original numerator right here was 2. And the original numerator here was 4. But I need these fractions to be the same as what they are. So this one needs an x and an x plus 7. We can see that if I were to cancel those out, I'd be back to my 9 over x minus 2 right there. This one needs an x minus 2 and an x plus 7. Again, we see if we cancel those out, we'd be back to 2 over x. And this one needs an x minus 2 and an x. And again, this is clearly the same as 4 over x plus 7. Okay, now these all have the same common denominator. I can write that one common denominator right down here. Maybe I'll put the x out front, x minus 2, x plus 7. And then I can start combining these terms. This first one, I'll multiply this 9x through, and I'll have 9x times x is 9x squared. 9x plus times 7 is, let's see, that'd be 63x minus whatever this is, let's see, 2. Now I'm going to have to combine this out. So x times x would be x squared times 2 would be 2x squared. X times 7 is 7x times 2 is 14x. Let's see, negative 2 times x is negative 2x times 4 is negative 4x. And let's see, negative 2 times 7 is negative 14 times 2 is negative 28. And we can combine these into a 10x if we like that term. Okay, plus this last bit. I'll multiply everything through by 4x. So 4x times x is 4x squared. And 4x times negative 2 is negative 8x. Now I did have this piece in parentheses because it's subtracted. So I'll have to finish this up by combining like terms in the numerator. So I still have an x minus 2, and an x plus 7 here. Let's see what I have in the numerator. Let's do all the x squared terms. I have 9x squared minus 2x squared and positive 4x squared. So 9 minus 2 is 7, plus 4 is 11, so that's 11x squared. Let's see all the x terms. I've got 63x minus 10x minus 8x. So 63 minus 10 is 53, minus 8 is 45, so plus 45x. And then let's see what constants I have left. I've got a minus a negative 28. That is just a plus 28. There I've added these fractions. So now I have one fraction with one common denominator.